Hi everyone, here we've got an OPPO A53 from 2020 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer and choose the keypad because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes. And let me show you the very first one, which is *#06#. As you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which is similar to the previous one. It's *#07#. And here we can check the maximum SAR level, so we can check the head and the body of our device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code for the software info. It's *#6776#. And as I said, here we've got the software version, so here we can check the model, master date, branch or build number, actually a lot of info attached to the software version. Let me get back and let me show you another code for the hardware revision, and it's *888#. And here we've got the PCB number attached to this device. What's more, we can scan this QR code with another device and check the hardware info attached to this OPPO A53. Let me get back and let me show you another code which is provided by Google. It's *#426#***. And here we are in a diagnostic mode. We can check some events and also the status. What's more, we can tap on this three dots icon and tap on advanced view. After tapping on the status, here we receive much more info, for example, network type or last connected network type. Let me get back and let me show you another code, which is *#225#***. And here we are in the calendar info. Here we've got all the events in one place, so you can check some family events, some holidays in your country, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best option to store all the anniversaries in one place and be sure that you won't forget about any of them. Now let me get back and let me show you the last code, which is a feedback, so it's *800#. And here we've got some suggestions and issues. In issues we can report any problems, so if you meet some problems with the camera, the fingerprint recognition, face recognition or Wi-Fi, you can simply tap on it and report it. So let me for example report the touch screen. Just tap here. As you can see here, we've got the record screen option, so your device will record the screen and record all the problems you meet. And just tap on start and let's wait a second. Okay, so from now on your device will capture logs, so it will capture and check all of the problems you meet and it will record it, so then you will be able to report it. If you are ready, tap on finish if you recorded the problem. And as you can see here, we can save the issue and report it, so you can add the subject, you can add the date and time when you met the problem, and you can describe your issue, so you can say what's going on actually. What's more, in order to provide the developer with some evidences, then just add a video which you just recorded. Let me get back because I don't want to report it. And here we've got the suggestions option, so if you feel that you know how to improve the usage of this OPPO A53 or if you've got any ideas of what you can add to this device, then you can suggest it and you can describe how it will help and how it can be implemented. So actually that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your OPPO A53 from 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.